Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you AI Affiliate Suite video training course review that created by Chris Drenberger, and this product goes live on 16th of May 11 AM EST. Right now I'm in the sales space AI Affiliate Suite. So what actually is AI Affiliate Suite? Guys, AI Affiliate Suite is a training course on using AI technology including ChatGPT to create high quality SEO optimized product reviews websites that actually rank in search engines. AI Affiliate Suite shows specific prompts to use to build in-depth informational articles and product reviews that follows Google guidelines. Users will see step by step how to use ChatGPT to choose a domain name, categories for your website, all the necessary legal pages, as well as product reviews and informational type content, all structured around Google's guidelines that rank on Google. They will teach you everything inside the members area of this product AI Affiliate Suite. So I'm going to show you guys this quick video what you will get actually inside the members area. So let's see it, then I'm going to show you all other information. Okay, here is everything what you will get, a step-by-step training to make learning simple even for complete beginners. If you are a beginner, if you want to really make money from online with affiliate marketing, then this video and this product is for you. This training course is for you. And I'm going to show you also all other information. This is the Chris Drenberger, about Chris Drenberger. Chris is one of the best affiliate marketer and also best product creator, guys. Okay, and the price of this product only $12.95, you can see. And right now I'm going to show exactly this video what actually you will get inside the members area. Okay, so let's see.
You're struggling to create engaging.
Okay.
Picture this. You're struggling to create engaging content for your affiliate website, spending countless hours researching, writing, and editing, only to watch your hard work go unnoticed by search engines. It's frustrating, isn't it? Well, you're not alone. Most affiliate marketers face the same challenge. But what if I told you there's a game-changing solution that can overcome all these obstacles and skyrocket your affiliate success? Meet my new course, AI Affiliate Suite, where you will learn the art of crafting Google-friendly, high-converting content using ChatGPT that ranks in search engines. In today's fast-paced world, time is money. Traditional content creation methods can be time-consuming, expensive, and yield very little results. This is where AI comes in. With powerful AI tools like ChatGPT, you can create top-quality content in the fraction of time with little to no cost. But there is a catch. To truly harness the power of AI, you need to learn how to structure your content and product reviews so it's appealing to Google. And this is where AI Affiliate Suite comes in. The world is moving towards AI-driven solutions, and AI Affiliate Suite is your ticket to stay ahead of the curve. Below this video, you'll learn more about this course and exactly what's included in each video. Scroll below to invest in AI Affiliate Suite today and take your affiliate marketing game to a whole new level.
Okay guys, that's the quick overview of AI Affiliate Suite. Okay, and right now I'm going to show you what you will get exactly. What can you expect from AI Affiliate Suite when you get started today? With AI Affiliate Suite, create Google friendly content and product reviews in minutes, nearly hands-free, and step-by-step training to make learning simple even for complete beginners. Video number 1, you can see inside the members area the effects of AI on the future of affiliate marketing. Discover how AI is transforming the affiliate marketing landscape and learn how to harness its potential to stay ahead of the curve. Video number 2, you can see exploring different AI tools used to create content. Dive into the world of AI-powered content creation tools and explore their capabilities. Video number 3, picking a web host for your WordPress site. Get audience on selecting the perfect web host for your WordPress site. Learn about the key factors to consider. Guys, if you are a beginner, no problem. They will teach you everything, how to host a WordPress website and how to buy a domain. Everything they will teach you. Video number 4, using ChatGPT to pick a domain domain name. So no problem, they will teach you how to pick a perfect domain name for your blog website. Learn how to utilize ChatGPT's capabilities to generate unique and brandable domain names for your website. Video number 6, installing WordPress and adjusting settings. Learn how easy it is to install WordPress on your web host and get started today. Video number 7, using ChatGPT to create website categories. Learn how to harness ChatGPT's power to generate well-structured and relevant website categories for more organized content layout. Video number 8, using ChatGPT to create terms, disclosure, privacy, etc. Understand how to use ChatGPT to generate necessary legal and informational pages for your website. You will see the exact prompts I use to create these pages. Okay guys, so no problem, they will teach you everything that you need to launch your affiliate review based website. Video number 9, using ChatGPT to create informational blog articles. Video number 10, understanding Google's guidelines for product reviews. Video number 11, using ChatGPT to create product reviews. Video number 12, using Midjourney to create images for your website. And video number 13, the last video of this training course. In this video, creating a sitemap and building authority. In this video, I will show you how to submit your sitemaps to Google's console and a simple blueprint to follow to help build up a new website's authority to rank better. Once, as I set up a complete website, this is the complete website. You will see everything. I do create this niche based affiliate websites using 100% AI content. And once, as I start from scratch to buy a new domain name, install WordPress, and exactly how I create all the content using ChatGPT and Midjourney for images. You will see how I gather the content and the exact prompts I use in ChatGPT to generate long-form content that follows Google's guidelines for product reviews and actually ranks. AI content ranking within 1 week. Within 1 week of building this brand new website on a brand new domain name, it's already getting Amazon product reviews ranked on this product first page of Google without any other work. Wow! And after the website starting building authority, these rankings will explode. Imagine once you have hundreds of reviews ranking in Google for product reviews, this AI website can get AdSense approved also. At first, Krish actually at first create their website, then they got AdSense. And they got their website first rank on Google, page number 1. And that's why they created a training course and share with you guys. Using AI content is fast and easy with ChatGPT. You can also create informational content like this type of content you can create. Okay, CEO, entrepreneur, 7-figure affiliate marketer of Krish Drenberger. Krish Drenberger is a highly skilled affiliate marketer with extensive expertise in building affiliate websites and YouTube. Over the course of his career, he has created more than 850 plus WordPress websites focused on affiliate marketing. You can imagine it. He is a legendary guy and driving millions of dollars in sales through these platforms. His experience and success in the industry make him a valuable resource for others looking to learn more about creating and managing a profitable affiliate websites. Guys, if you want exactly profitable affiliate marketing websites, then you can join this course, link in my video description below. Don't forget to click the link. Please consider the link, guys. Honestly speaking, I'm as an affiliate, I promote this product, the affiliate suite. This is 100% legit product, and if you want to really make money from online, then this product is for you. Okay, if you purchase this product through a link in my video description below, I will get a small commission, but don't overcost you. These commissions help me create free valuable videos like this one. Okay, stay safe. Thank you guys. See you soon in my next video.